Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Land in Email. I am MD Faraz and I am the founder of Land in Email. So as I promised in my previous video that in this video we are going to talk about the feature called as campaigns. So whatever we did so far is you can say this is we were like getting ready for the campaigns, for the exact thing what you guys have bought this tool to send the emails, to send the campaigns, to send the automations, plenty of things. So in this video I'm going to talk about how to create campaigns. It's very simple guys, it just need some presence of mind. So once you log in, this would be the interface. So just click on campaigns. Let's say you already have created a list. Let us say create unlimited list. List is nothing but your leads, where you have stored your leads. Simple. Let's say I want to send a campaign, some emails to my list. Okay, what I will do, I will click on campaigns and then click on create campaign. So once I click on that, I get two options, whether to choose the regular email HTML email contents or plain text. Plain text is very simple and very easy to use, so but 90% of the time, and I would recommend you to use the regular campaign. Click on this, it will ask you which list. So if you have plenty of list and which list you want to send, just choose that list. In my case, I'm going to choose this, the list which contains free trail list. Then if you want to segment it, you can do that and click save and next. And now it will ask, so I will just put test email subject as well. I will put test. See, now it shows plenty of options. Track opens, track clicks, add DKIM signature, custom. If you are tracking, as I showed you in previous videos how you can set up tracking domains, you can just operate it. Okay, I won't tell you to on this feature, okay, where it's telling you to skip failed message. Okay, enable this option to skip failed message and continue. Okay, let it not on. Okay, and from email, if you have plenty of emails, you can choose plenty of emails guys. Okay, whichever SMTP you want to choose. Reply, if you want the reply to be in another email, that you can do that. Okay, as of now we'll do this. We'll click on save and next, and it's asking us to create the email template. Okay, what should be the content, what exactly you are sending to your users. Okay, as simple as that. So if you have already created a template, okay, let us say you already have a template you created from somewhere else, just you have the template should be in the zip format and you can upload the template over here. In the upcoming videos I will show you how you can create the beautiful templates, where if the user just opens up your email and if he watches that email, definitely he's going to convert. In the upcoming videos I will show you how you can create beautiful templates. I will cover at least 5 industries, which such as e-commerce, SaaS and many industries. As of now I will choose the existing template and on top of that I will build it. Let us say I want a blank template, and again it asks you which builder you will choose to build it. So in this scenario I will always choose Email Builder Pro. If you guys are curious, you can try with classic as well. As of now I am going to choose Email Builder Pro. So this is how our email is there, the template is looking. Now according to my needs I can edit this, I can customize this. Let us say I will do, first I want my logo to show up here in the template. Then I want to write, okay, let's say I want to write hi, using Spintax and all, hi user, we just launched our new product, whatever you wish, launched a new product. Then I might give an image of our product. Okay, if it is an e-commerce, I will just select any of image over here. Let's say I will choose this as of now, and I will upload it here. See, okay, let's say. So then there are many things you can do. Okay, like you guys can customize according to your needs. Like you can have RSS feeds. It's completely a drag and drop builder. You can have this in over here. If you guys have used WordPress, you guys will be familiar what I'm talking about. If you are a fresher, I would say spend some time learning how to design a template. Let's say I want to show my product, I want to show multiple product catalog. I can do that as well. I can share my YouTube channel link. Plenty of option, guys. It completely depends on you guys, what according to your needs, customize it. Once it's done, just check with the how it looks on phone and all. This is your email template. This is what it will be landing in your subscribers email. So make sure you guys don't do extra editing or don't add extra things. Keep as simple as possible, but make sure it looks very attractive. That should be our end goal. So once it's done, let's say I will save this and I will close it. There are plenty of options, guys. You can have templates and all, and if you want to attach some attachments and all, you can do it from here. Okay, if you want to add pre-header and all, you can do that. As of now, I am just going to. Then there is two options. If you want to launch the campaigns immediately, you can do that. If you want to, let's say I want to launch the campaign for 26th Jan, which is a Republic Day. I want to send this, so I will click on Republic Day, January 26, and it should land exactly at 10 a.m. I'll do that. I can do that. See, that's it. If I want to launch it immediately, I can do that as well. Once it's done, it will just ask you to cross check if everything is fine. If you want to ask, yeah guys, there is a topic called as webhooks, which we'll cover in the upcoming videos. As of now, you just have to cross check, and if you want to check whether it's working or not, you can just send a test email to yourself and check whether the email has gone or not. Okay, let's see whether it have gone or not. Okay, so let me just check. Sometimes it goes into the spam or promotions. Okay, for that you have to correctly integrate the SMTP and do all the technical stuff. See, the email which I had created, I got that email. Can you see that? I got that email. So this is how you can send unlimited emails, guys. Unlimited emails. So once it's done, you can just click on done, and it will start sending emails to the people. In fraction of seconds, it will start sending the emails to the people, guys. So this is all about today's video. I hope you understood the campaigns. This is just I'm just showing the basic stuffs. In the upcoming videos, I will do the live campaigns where I will create list, where I will create templates, beautiful templates. I will integrate forms and many things. So in this playlist, I want the things to be as simple as that for the newcomers and even for the people who doesn't know anything about this tool. Okay guys, see you in the next video with a feature called automations. Till that, take care. Bye.